Hi, in this video we will show you the steps to install the Microsoft Technical Preview of Honolulu project to manage our infrastructure remotely. Download the Technical Preview of Honolulu application from the Microsoft site. For URLs, please check the blog page in the video description box. Provide the information in the form and click Continue. Download the installer file. Double-click on the installer file to open the installing wizard. Accept the license and click Next. We left the default SSL port for server management site along with self-signed certificate for this demo. The installation has been initiated and it will take few minutes to complete the operation. Click Finish to close the installation wizard. A new shortcut is available on the desktop to launch the Honolulu application. Double-click on the shortcut and to open it in web browser. Inbuilt IE browser is not supporting to access the Honolulu application. It requires Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome to access the application, so we used Firefox browser to access it. Add the self-signed certificate in the exception list. Provide the administrator login credentials and click OK. The home page shows the management server in the connection list by default. We are using Windows 2012 R2 as a client machine for this demo. By default, PowerShell features are not installed in Windows 2012 and 2012 R2 machines. The PowerShell version should be 5.0 or higher to add the server in the Honolulu application. To verify, run $ps version table command. To upgrade the PowerShell version, download the Windows Management Framework 5.1 from the Microsoft site. The download URLs are available in our blog page. Please check the video description box for more details. Double-click on the installer file. Accept the license agreement. It will upgrade the PowerShell version and reboot the server to complete the installation process. Verify the PowerShell version using $ps version table command. PowerShell version has been upgraded to 5.1 now. To add a new server, click on Add button. Click on Add Server Connection. Provide the server name or IP along with server administrator credentials and click Submit. Click on the new server name and provide the login credentials. You can view the server properties along with CPU and memory usage under one window. It will be very useful for us instead of opening multiple windows to view the details. We will add a new user using this application for this demo. Click on Local Users and Groups link. Click on New User link. Provide the user credentials and click Submit. To add the user into a group, select the user name and click on Manage Membership. Select the group that the user will be a member of and click Save. To verify, go to Client Machine and open Computer Management. Expand the local user and groups and click on Users. You will able to see the user remote admin on the list. Double-click on the user and click on Members of to view group details. We can also access the server through browser using Remote Desktop option from the Honolulu application. We can also install roles and features from this application to the remote server. Thanks for watching this video.